Good morning. Yeah, this morning I'm trying to put a roadbook in my itinerary. Just to explain that this is a roadbook handmade at home with my printer, page by page. Look, so it's possible. It's possible and cheap, of course, to do a roadbook at home. Well, and the last step when you are finished, to put just this detail. Well, here you can see two scotch to seal here in these 2 points. Okay, it's in the last step. Okay, job done. Look, yeah, 5 kilometers, 6 exit. Yeah, look at this is. Now and here start the off-road in the black way. Okay, the white one is road and the black one is off-road.